Morning, everybody. This is Sean. We're in Amarillo, Texas, and winter storm came in last night. It's snowing pretty good. I mean, we got an inch of snow. Roads are slick. Got to take my wife's Camry in for some front end work. So hopefully she can make it to the alignment shop without wrecking the car. But she's a good driver, so, but the roads are getting bad, and we really need this moisture. But I love driving in the snow, as long as I'm not in any hurry. You guys be careful. Have a good day. Bye. Well, we're about an hour and a half later. It's still snowing. Roads are still slippery. Probably got at least an inch of snow now. Got Camry 1 to the alignment shop, and we're in Camry 2. Famous person told me if you own junk, own a lot of it. So we got 5 cars and trucks. Guys, be careful.